Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a disappearing photo on Telegram. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. It's a pretty cool feature of Telegram because it can only be viewed once when you send it. So it's just a cool little feature that they've added in. So let me just show you how to actually send them. Okay, so we obviously want to open Telegram and then go to the actual chat that you want to send it into. And then if you just go down into the bottom left-hand corner where you've got the little paper clip, select that, then this will actually open up your gallery. So make sure that what you're sending is from the gallery. So then all your images and videos will actually appear. Now you can either use your actual camera or you can just select an image already in your camera roll. So if I just open the camera now and just take a picture of just the blackness. Okay, and then when you're ready to send it, if you see the blue button with the arrow like you're about to send it, instead of just pressing send, if you just hold your finger on the button and then these options will appear. Okay, and then with these options, to make sure it then disappears, you want to select the send with timer. So if you just select that one, and then when the options appear, you can obviously set a timer or you can actually select view once. So we're just going to choose view once for this one and then send with timer. And there we have it. So that's going to be sent. So it's pretty cool. So as soon as it's viewed, it will then actually disappear from the chat. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That is how to send disappearing messages in Telegram. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.